Hey everybody, it's Allie, and today we are going to be talking activewear. So I've mentioned this, that fitness is a huge part of my life. It always has been. However, it kind of took a hiatus as I prioritized other things for a couple of years. But now I'm able to be home more and be with my babies. And with that, I'm able, speaking of babies, you probably heard that, but I'm also able to dedicate more time to fitness and my health. And I have been so thrilled about that. With that, I have been having to stock up on activewear. And I don't know about you guys, but maybe it's just geared towards me. But everywhere I look, there seems to be another activewear brand popping up, and it gets overwhelming. Today, we are talking about a brand called Activewear. I went ahead on my own and purchased them for myself just to try it out, and honestly, I absolutely loved the quality. That I was like, okay, this is great. I love what they stand for. Fast forward to now, I am an ambassador. I know it seems like everyone and their mother can become an ambassador nowadays, but this brand is a brand that I truly stand by, and I really love that they give back. Plus, the quality of the product is so good. My whole little spiel, I just wanted to give that little disclosure before we start. But the thing about Activewear is they are always giving back, and they're always having sales, which I think is great. So recently they had what they call a bright out sale. It happens, I believe, once a year. It's kind of like a blackout sale, but it's summertime and it's called the bright out sale. But they're always having tons of sales and deals. Plus there are tons of discount codes. I do have a discount code. It is GLOW15. I would also leave all that information down below. But besides all of that, I wanted to show you what I picked up for this bright out sale. I have a ton of product from them, but these are things that I got for the sale. I don't know about you guys, but when I put on a cute outfit, it motivates me a little bit more. I know it sounds cliche, but it's true. The first thing that I got, it's super cute and so different for me, completely out of my comfort zone, and I just thought I'd try it out, and I fell in love with it. This is the Flux Impact Bra, which I think is so cute. It has this little cutout, which I was honestly, after I ordered it, I was like, ooh, is that still gonna have enough support? I mean, I am smaller, so that wasn't an issue, but it does still have support under there. I don't know if that's something that maybe if you're larger on top, you have to think about, but they did have models that were larger on top, and it seemed fine. I think it would be fine. I can't really speak for those who are bigger on top because I'm not in that category, but I thought it was so cute. It's something a little bit different, a little bit of the detail, but still keeping it simple, keeping it minimalistic, which I completely appreciate. The back also has this cutout, which is super cute. You have a thicker band here. And part of the Activewear logo is these 4 dots, which actually stands for the 4 charities that they give back to. I think is so amazing. Again, super minimalistic, very simple, but so cute. And then you also have this, like an A for Activewear. So that is the Impact Bra in Oat, and this is in a size small. And these are the cycle shorts, also in the color Oat, also in a size small, and you have the 4 little dots in the back too. I think you can see that. Yeah, this set, I was like, it looks so good on the model. I wanted to just try it out, and especially because it was lighter, I wasn't sure how it was going to look, but it is not see-through, and it's so cute. And I never in a million years would be thinking that I would be rocking cycle shorts, because I just don't wear shorts. I don't like them, but these are so comfortable, and I'm all for it. So next we have the Flux 2.0 leggings in mint. The Flux 2.0 leggings are so good. I believe that they kind of like updated the Flux leggings to get rid of the front seam, and they also made this come up a little bit higher. But these are so comfortable. They're super, super, super soft. And again, even the lighter colors, like they're not see-through, which I can appreciate. You have the little detail of the 4 dots in the back. And then at the leg right here, you have that little A that I was telling you about if you can see it. And then I did pair that up with the ribbed seamless tank top, also in mint. I thought we could pair these together and they would look super cute. I love this. I even wear this like for like out and about, not just when I'm working out. It does have padding inside, which I like. I like that extra support and all of that, and keeps everything nice and covered. But the quality is really good. It's like thick, but still breathable. And yeah, I love these together. These are also in a size small. Everything I got is in a size small, just for reference. I do want to say I am short, and I also have a short torso. So these leggings do come up pretty high on me, and the bottoms of them also come down pretty low. Like if I don't pull it up all the way and like make sure everything's pulled down at the bottom, there is a little bit of scrunching at my ankles, but I'm 5 feet tall, so I'm tiny. So maybe if you're taller, that's like a plus for you. I personally don't mind it. These are completely full length and amazing. I love them. So next we have basically the same combo, but in a different color. This is the ribbed seamless tank in black, because how could I not have a black tank? It's so cute and comfortable. Love it. Oh, I also want to show that it has this little tag. It says Acta right here. And on the inside, on the flip side, you have the 4 little dots. It's so cute. Oh, also the tags are like this material, which is nice because it's not like itchy or anything. You can cut them off if you want, but super comfortable. These are the same leggings, the Flux 2.0, but these are in the color peach. It's described as like a dusty rose. I love this color. I think it's super, super pretty. So you have the 4 dots in the back, no front seam, super buttery and soft. You have the A. I absolutely love this. And again, if you know me, you would be shocked that I have like all these colors, but just wait for it. It gets better. Next, let's get into some color. Are you ready? I saw this color and I was like, oh, I need it. I know. Who am I? Because if you know me in real life, especially, it's like 95% of my wardrobe is black. So this is the Flux base bra. It crisscrosses in the back, and this part in the back is a little bit open. You have the 4 dots on the band right there. This, I will say, I believe is a little bit small, like in general. So if you are larger, I would suggest maybe sizing up. It's coming up definitely more. Oh, there you go. You can see it. It's like an orangey yellow. I love this color so much. But yeah, this bra does fit nice and snug, which I like, especially if you're like, you know, jumping around or anything like that when you work out. But just a little suggestion. If you're thinking about sizing up or you're in between, I would maybe size up in the base bra, unless you don't mind it being like nice and snug, which I like. So I have it in a small, super, super cute. And here I have the Flux 2.0 leggings, again in tangerine, same detail, the 4 dots, the little A. But even with this color, again, it's light and bright, it's not see-through. So since I was so excited about the color, I also got the cycle shorts in tangerine, the same 5-inch, I believe, but these are the cycle shorts in tangerine. And again, the fact that I'm wearing shorts, the fact that I'm wearing color is like she's grown. She's grown, ladies and gentlemen. She has grown. And this is the Flux base tank bra. So it's, I guess, like the base bra, but it's a tank. So you get a little bit more coverage. It comes down a little bit, and it's like that classic tank top, you know? And you have the 4 dots in the back. Super cute and comfy. Okay, so the next set that I got is in the color chambray, I think. It's a light powder blue is basically it. So same thing, the Flux 2.0 leggings, no front seam. This is a beautiful color. Beautiful. I wasn't sure how these were gonna look on me, but these, I really liked how this looked on me. And again, I know the quality is amazing, so I got it in another color. And now this bra is the Balance bra in chambray. So this is a little bit different. This bra is not as snug on me. It's still nice and tight, like there's a good amount of support, but I feel like the base bra is just a little bit tighter. You still get amazing support with this though. And all of these tops have removable padding if you don't want the padding in there, which I keep my padding in there. I know some people don't, but you have that option to take it out if you want. I keep mine in. I like that coverage and support. But the support on this balance bra is still really great, just like the base bra. The detail in the back is so cute. You have like that crisscross in the back. Really, really cute. I love that. And the front obviously looks a little bit different than the base bra as well, but this was really nice. So we have this set that I thought was really cute. Very beautiful. I also wanted to show you this top that I got. It is the same, the base tank bra. I went ahead and got this too, honestly, because I thought this would look really cute with like high-waisted jeans. I don't know. But obviously to work out in as well. But this is a different color. This is in the color citrus. It's yellow, where the tangerine is more like an orangey yellow. So I wanted to show you a little side by side how they're different. So it comes down a little bit more, just like the other one. It's just a different color. You still have the 4 little dots, and I just went with yellow. Who am I with this color? I love it. And last but not least, we went with the same collection in the color Flame. I saw it and I was like, ooh, I need that. So I got the same leggings in the color Flame, and I also got the cycle shorts. I'm currently wearing them right now, and I'm also wearing the base bra in Flame. So the Flux base bra in Flame. Oh, you can see, I go ahead and show you, it has the same little detail in the back, how it crisscrosses, it's a little bit open, but this color I could not pass on. I'm like, all these colors are so cute and fun. Yeah, so that's all I picked up just from the Bright Out sale. I have a lot more if anyone's interested in seeing the rest of my activewear collection. Honestly though, I really love this company. So all the little clothing come with these little tags. Their little slogan is pursue your best, which I love. I love that. It's like go after your best. With each purchase, you can choose which charity to donate a portion of your purchase to. I think that is like so incredible that you can choose and you can know that your purchase is going towards something that can help make a difference tremendously in someone's life. So I just thought that that was really great. I love the minimalistic designs, but there's still like a little bit of something going on to it, you know, like it's not boring. It's really cute. So again, I am an ambassador. I am affiliated with them. So if you want to go ahead and make a purchase, again, they're always having tons of sale, and you can use my code, which is GLOW15, for 15% off. I don't know, for me, I think it's great. Like if you're gonna be spending your money on something like this anyway, why not spend it on something that will go towards something good? That's it. That's my little haul, my little spiel. Let me know if you like these types of videos. If you wanna see more of these, let me know if you have ever purchased anything from activewear. What were your thoughts? If there are any other companies that you suggest me checking out, if you want me to try them out for you, I can go ahead and do that. So I hope that you enjoyed this. And if you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you aren't subscribed already. If you want notifications anytime I upload or anything, be sure to ring the bell, and I will see you in my next video.